Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is saurabhsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen, or you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email uh, onto this. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, GATE, CSI and NET, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a mathematical statistical question which is appeared in the year of 2025 in the GATE data science question paper, and the question is telling us that it is given that probability of x greater than equals to 2 is equals to 1 by 4, that means 0.25, for an exponential distribute random variable x with expectation of x is equals to 1 by lambda, where expectation of x is denoted as this. What is the value of lambda in it in denotes natural algorithm? Okay, so we are given that x is an exponentially distributed random variable x uh, with expectation of x is equals to what? That is equals to 1 by lambda, and our lambda is the uh, rate parameter, and our probability when our x is greater than equals to 2, that is equals to 0.25. Okay, so now we need to find the value of lambda. So now we are going to recall properties of exponential distribution. So for an exponential random variable x with the rate parameter lambda, the probability density function, that means the PDF, is what? That will be equals to f of x is equals to lambda e to the power minus lambda x, where our x is greater than equals to 0. So now the cumulative distribution function, that means CDF, is what? So we know that will be equals to probability of x less than equals to x, which will be equals to 1 minus this, where our x is greater than equals to 0. So now the survival function, the probability that x exceeds a value x is probability x greater than equals to x is equals to e to the power minus lambda x. Okay, so now our x is where our x is greater than equals to 0, we can easily see that. So now, and the expectation, the mean, which is the expectation of x is equals to 1 by lambda. So now we are going to use the given probability, which is telling us that probability of x greater than equals to 2 is equals to 0.25. So now using the survival function, we will get what? Probability of x greater than equals to 2, that is equals to e to the power minus lambda into 2, so that is equals to 0.25. So from this we can write that minus 2 lambda, that is equals to ln of 0.25. Okay, so we know that 0.25 is equals to 1 by 4, so we will get minus 2 lambda equals to ln of 2 to the power minus 2. So that will be what? Minus 2 lambda is equals to minus 2 ln 2. So our lambda is equals to ln 2. And as we are getting our lambda, so lambda is our ln 2. So the expectation of x, which is 1 by lambda, that is the mean, which is my 1 by lambda, which is expectation of x is equals to 1 by ln 2. Okay, I think they have asked us, yeah, what is the value of lambda? So we got the answer which is our ln 2. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical question or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions and our online classes and our doubt clearing sessions also. And you can enjoy the services of Dr. Soros's classes like weekly mock tests and etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.